This is a story about excellence. A story about determination and hard work. A tale of tremendous talent. This is a story of success. In 2006, Netafim celebrated 40 years of impressive achievements and groundbreaking success. Excellent product performance, constant renewal, attentiveness to the varied needs of its worldwide customers, and diligent service. All these solidified its position as a global company that knows no bounds. This year, Netafim welcomed a new subsidiary, Netafim Colombia. Today, no matter what language they speak, 35 subsidiaries and representative offices in 110 nations around the planet speak in one voice, speaking Netafim. Netafim Slovakia marked its 10th anniversary this year with a major social event for its employees and their families. In 2006, Netafim's division conferences attracted representatives from more than 33 countries, speaking 12 different languages. Teams from finance, IT, human resources, engineering and projects, operations, marketing and agronomy arrived in Israel to study, learn about Netafim's goals and its shared language. This year, the Netafim University held a month-long course in the city of Quetta in northern Pakistan. It received broad media exposure, with more than 70 participants attending the opening ceremony, including senior Pakistani officials. Netafim has always meant more than irrigation products. Netafim supplies solutions. In 2006, a new production line at Netafim Israel began manufacturing polyethylene pipes of up to 400 millimeters diameter for civil and agricultural infrastructure applications. Netafim Israel will begin marketing the new pipeline in Israel, but global sales are expected to follow. In 2006, Netafim introduced 4 new greenhouse models, carrying on a tradition of quality. 2 of the models are meant for high-temperature regions, the classic model for vegetables and flowers, and net houses for areas with minimal rainfall. Another 2 greenhouse models are meant for low-temperature regions. The Supreme polyethylene greenhouse with its triangular roof can handle up to 25 kilograms of accumulated snow, and it offers better light transmission than arched roof greenhouses. The new Velno glass greenhouse is a classic design adapted to European export standards. The Horti Fair in Amsterdam, the greenhouse industry's most important annual show, provided outstanding international exposure for Netafim's greenhouse models, drawing hundreds of visitors a day, from individual growers to corporate investors. This year, Netafim rewarded its outstanding employees. 20 participants from Netafim subsidiaries and corporate were brought together in Israel for 4 days of unforgettable conferencing. In 2006, Netafim's pavilion stole the show at the Agritech exhibition, drawing some 60,000 visitors from around the world to an impressive presentation, seeing for themselves that Netafim is truly in a league of its own. Congratulations went to Netafim Hellas, winner of the 2006 Agrotica Award for the most beautiful pavilion in the biennial Agrotica exhibition, the agricultural industry's most important event. Netafim Poland won a major tender for the Chelm Forest Nursery. The tender was valued at some $300,000. This was the year that Netafim USA, Netafim's largest subsidiary, joined the SAP family.
It certainly had its challenges along the way, but one very big success was our WM warehouse management implementation, thanks to the great collaboration between the teams here in Fresno with the fantastic team in Israel. I really consider it a great success.
नेटफिम नी साथे रहीने थाय विकास सदा खेतीनो उत्तम सुविधा झंझट माथी मुक्ति अपावे उच्च गुणवत्ता साथे मबलख पाक जीवन માં ખુશીઓ લાવે ખેતીના દરેક તબક્કે માર્ગદર્શન અને સાથ આપે વસાવો નેટાફિમ ટપક સિંચાઈ આજે જ નેટાફિમનો સિદ્ધાંત સહિયારો વિકાસ.
Netafim India had an outstanding year, achieving unprecedented numbers and doubling its revenues. In India, Netafim's slogan, "Let's grow together," found full expression. Netafim Argentina overcame all competition in a major irrigation project for 1,000 hectares of olive groves. But not everything in Argentina is olives. After its launch at Feriagro 2006, LPS introduced important developments. Innovative tests were carried out in bioenergy crops using subsurface irrigation with LPS and attracting the attention of the biggest sugarcane producer in Argentina. Years ago, Netafim introduced the world to drip irrigation, which led to constant growth in worldwide food production, achieving Netafim's goal, making the world a better place for everyone. The bioenergy industry promises to be an equally significant step forward. Ethanol is produced from sugarcane, and sugarcane irrigation demands a high level of technological and agricultural knowledge. Both are Netafim's strong points. With sensitivity to the environment, Netafim established a new business division this year, led by Dror Kfir, to seek new opportunities in this emerging field.
A tecnologia israelense irriga cerca de 300.000 hectares de cana no mundo.
Netafim Brazil made headlines this year when it hosted the second conference on sugarcane irrigation. And here's another impressive solution for a serious global problem: recycling untold kilometers of aging irrigation equipment. In June 2006, Netafim Australia introduced a new environmentally friendly program, removing unwanted black poly pipe and irrigation pipe as a free service to the agricultural sector, revolutionizing the way growers dispose of decommissioned poly. Since the program's launch, Netafim has retrieved some 150 tons of pipe from 10 agricultural sites across Australia, helping growers avoid the cost of drip line disposal and benefiting the environment. Until this year, farmers in Turkey generally irrigated their crops via man-made networks of water channels built years ago by the government, a method that not only wasted tremendous amounts of water, but also washed minerals from the soil, leading to much lower agricultural yields. The massive introduction of LPS systems in Turkey this year helped farmers used to flooding irrigation make an easy transition to drip irrigation. Existing water channels provided water transport to the LPS, significantly reducing the cost of the new irrigation system.
Drip irrigation